Realme launched its new Neo series phone in China called Realme Neo 8, with a unique transparent rear panel design that has awakening halo RGB light strip that corresponds to notifications and more. Now let's explore the specifications of this smartphone. The Realme Neo 8 features a tall 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with up to 165Hz refresh rate support, and the display is made using Samsung's M14 panel that is claimed to deliver up to 6500 nits of peak brightness. Under the hood, the phone comes powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 chipset, paired with Adreno 829 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 12 or 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256GB, 512GB, or 1 TB of UFS 4.1 storage. As per the optics, the Realme Neo 8 sports a triple camera setup on the rear that houses a 50-megapixel main camera with Sony's IMX896 sensor, and there is another 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom support, along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 112-degree field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording. For selfies, it has 16-megapixel camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.4 aperture. The device comes equipped by a massive 8000 mAh battery, with 80W SuperVOOC flash charging support, and it runs on Android 16 out of the box, with Realme UI 7.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP69 certified for dust and water resistance, and it also includes a large VC heat dissipation system to keep the device cool in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, GPS, NFC, IR blaster, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 162 by 77.07 by 8.3 millimeters, and it weighs around 215 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Realme Neo 8 has been priced in China as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Cyber Purple, Mech Gray, and Origin White color options. So, what do you guys think of this Realme Neo 8 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.